Woo! That would be insane. Getting around this turn here. I'm now standing in the middle of what used to be a village on the MotoGP. There was a lot of houses here not too many weeks ago. Now it's all flattened to the ground. A lot of things happening here. I'm now standing in the middle of the MotoGP course in Kuta Mandalika. But as usual, I think it's enough talking. Let's see how the track is from up above. That's the exciting part. Let's go up.
Break the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go. Me and you, we're holding back each other. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go. Just let go.
So this place, the Kuta Mandalika Sirkuit area, has changed dramatically. Like, you wouldn't recognize this place 1 year ago because it's been happening so much. This used to be like a forest, some hills, a village. Not anymore. Now we only have 2 houses left here. And that's it. The other thing is gone. The forest is gone. They have kept a lot of the forest though, because that will be like in the middle of the track, and I think that's pretty nice, because if you take that away, you like ruin the nature around this area, and I think that is what makes this course maybe a little bit special. The environment with the ocean, with the forest, with the hillsides. Yeah, so I hope they don't destroy everything. These are some heavy stuff. Can't understand why things get smashed when you go around with this. This place is full of all of these heavy machines. That is actually a little bit fascinating.
Things we do, it's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go.
So of a previous edit I made of the Kuta Mandalika project, I've been showing you the big ditches that they make. I've been actually inside of the big ditches that I made underground. And as you can see here, these are the ditches. They have the ditch over there, and they've been making the ditch over on this side, but this one has been closed. So during the rainy season, this system here has just become like a big lake. So now they just started not too long ago to actually open up in between here. They will be doing the ditch done and then cutting this part so the water can get out, because now it's trapped, doesn't get anywhere. So as you can see on the photos from up above, from the sky, there's a lot of things that's been developing and happening on this track. It really starts looking like a proper MotoGP track. There's almost asphalt everywhere, and there's a lot of things happening. The date for the track and the race has been postponed to 2022 because of COVID, and also this track is definitely not done yet. There's still a lot of things that needs to be done. It's not only about the track, but you're going to build everything around, like the arenas, the pit stops, everything else happening around a track also needs to be in place before you start using it. So there's definitely a lot of things still missing, but it's definitely getting there. Now the rainy season is over, so I think it will be going faster now, because definitely the rain has been a struggle. The flooding has been a struggle making this track. So now we're walking on the area. This is, I will assume that this will be like the pit stop area place. This is very wide, and that's the place where they teared down the whole village. So they're going to build a lot of stuff here, but here we have the track itself. Look at this beauty! This is a very thick layer of asphalt. I have no idea how many layers of asphalt there are on this track, but it's a lot. You can really see this is a thick layer with different materials also. Oh, but imagining going down here in 200 kilometers an hour. Woo! Maybe even faster. That would be insane. Coming around this turn here and then straight on and phew! That would be insane. From the Sirkuit Kuta Mandalika project. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe, smash the like button. Hope you want to share this with the world. I think the day that Kuta, Lombok, Indonesia can host an event here, it's going to be crazy. Really looking forward to seeing that happen. See you on the next one.